So we're making curry fish with 2 pounds of kingfish, a scotch bonnet pepper, 2 cherry peppers, 3 cloves of garlic and half a small onion, thyme branches, a tomato, some scallions, and bandhania. We're gonna blend everything up except the tomato. Gonna put a 1/4 cup of water. It's 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So we're gonna put some of this cut green mango in there, just a couple pieces. So we're putting 2 hip teaspoons, so it's above the spoon. We added half a teaspoon of roasted cumin to the curry. We added some water and we're just gonna mix it up. So we're gonna put enough oil to cover the bottom of the pot.
Take a little piece of onion here, like quarter of an onion. I'm going to put it in the oil.
After cooking for 10 more minutes, the fish is done. It's really good.